This is the chips and salsa they give to us. They give you two sauce. This one look a little bit spicy here, and then you get this one right here. So.
Can I have your room number?
9475.
Follow my colleague, enjoy your lunch. Follow me, please.
Thank you. All right, so we are at Chibang for lunch today. So you will get typically two different menus. If you're in the mood for the Asian, the Chinese one, you will get this one right here. If you're in the mood for the Mexican one, you will get this one. Now for the Mexican one, as you can see, you can do a burrito bowl, and then you can pick one option right here, or you can do your own, build a bowl right here. And then of course you get dessert down here, okay? Same thing with the Chinese version. You can do a pre-made here, these three options, or you can build your own thing down here. And then of course you get to do dessert. So I did pick the Chinese steaks bowl, and I would let you guys know how it tastes. All right, so we get chips and salsa with this. So it comes with two sauce. So I'm going to use this here to see how spicy it is. It's sweet. It's a sweet sauce. It's a sweet chili sauce. So you get chips right here, or you get the Asian version of it, which is like a fried. Not bad at all. All right. And then this is our bowl right here, the steak bowl. Look awesome. I guess we will wait for our utensil. Chopstick. We need chopstick for noodles. It's gonna be hard to eat noodles with this. All right, so right here we have the built burrito bowl. Look like steaks was added and guacamole and salsa stuff. So this is the built your own burrito bowl. And this one right here is I chose the steak one. Would come with pre-made noodles. They come with eggs. Okay. And I will tell you how it tastes. All right, so finally got my chopsticks to eat the noodles. All right, here we go. Mix it up. Just a little bit. Now, normally Chibang is you have to pay for it, but for this cruise, it's included. It's free, so you would definitely want to try them out. All right, it's a special noodle they have here. Okay, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit different. There's a little kick to it, a little spice on it in this one, the steak option. So.
Can order chicken?
Not bad at all.
Chicken?
It's like a little bit of
Let's enjoy.
like a little bit fusion.
Okay. Ito rin broth.
Okay. All right, so for dessert, I got the flan with a little, I guess, cream with it. This is a whipped cream. And I love flan. So let's see how it tastes.
Oh, thank you.
Wow,
It's
it's pretty good. This is pretty good flan. So if you're at Shibang, make sure you try the flan here. It's pretty good. Alright, this is a big chicken.
And for you, sir?
Chicken strips.
Some flan for you, sir?
Fries are always good. That's what I'm thinking there.
Yes, sir.
Now they have sauce and stuff
Yep.
over there.
We have salt on the side. Hello.
Hi, how are you? Can I get the MDE
MDE?
with potato salad, please?
Potato salad. We have on the side.
Ah, got it. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yummy.
Some fries for you, sir?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
This is the MDE versions. And I got the Shaq sauce right here. And then a side potato salad. It comes with the fries. Not bad at all.
You want to go outside or you want to eat at home?
What?
It's very good. It's really good. The chicken is very juicy, not dry at all. And you get pretty big pieces too. Oh. It's very good. This is one of the places that you must try when you're on the Mardi Gras.